The deepest hole ever dug by humans is the Kola Superdeep borehole, located on the Kola Peninsula in Russia. The project began in the 1970s and continued into the early 1990s. The deepest point reached was about 7.5 miles 12 kilometers below the Earth's surface. The drilling was stopped in 1992 due to higher than expected temperatures at that depth, reaching around 356 F180C, which made further drilling difficult. It's important to note that digging extremely deep holes becomes increasingly challenging due to technical, logistical, and geological challenges. The Kola Superdeep borehole represents the deepest penetration into the Earth's crust by humans. But there are theoretical limits to how deep we can drill with current technology and materials. The extreme conditions encountered at greater depths pose significant challenges, including high temperatures, pressures, and geological complexities.